Hey y'all, Rochelle here, your delightful crafter. I have I guess it's a collective haul. It's an order. It's two orders from eBay and an order from Hero Arts. Again, just trying to break up the monotony of Tuesday morning, and but I thought I would share these with you. Also, if you were following along yesterday, my adventures of getting my hair done. A couple of y'all have asked for the after, and I will post that on the community page later this week. Those of you know, when you get a perm, you can't wash it right away, and so I want to be able to wash it and make it look cute, and maybe actually put some makeup on. So that'll be later this week. It won't be a video, it'll just be a post on the community page. So those who are looking for that update. With that, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stick around a spell. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Ding that bell next door if you want to get notifications of future videos. Thumbs up, likes are always appreciated. And any questions or comments, please leave them down below. We're going to start with eBay because it's my house mouse. And I was really excited to get a hold of these two. There's a couple more that I'm trying to find. With house mouse, when I'm doing eBay, I'm always looking for the original. So like the Stampa-Rosa ones, before Stampability started putting, I guess, theirs out. I just prefer the originals. So, and they're not, some of them are really common, and then other ones are hard to find. And these two are hard to find ones. This first one is called Pickin' and a Grinnin'. And look at that here. Hold on. Is that not a cutie or what? And these are big stamps. I mean, here's my hand. It's filling up my hand. But I just adore house mouse. And when I'm talking about Stampa-Rosa, Stampa-Rosa was a stamp store in California, and at that time, that's where you got house mouse. You could find it in other like boutique stamp shops, but they don't make these anymore. So, like, there's one, I believe it's called Hot Dog, and it's 3 of the little guys riding on the back of a little wiener dog, and I've been bidding on one on eBay, but I mean, I'll go up to like 20, maybe 30, but I won't pay 50 bucks for a stamp. I just won't. And I know some of y'all think 20 or 30 is high as well, but I mean, some of these are really hard to find. And like I said, I just really adore house mouse. Have since I was a little girl, because my grandmother had a massive collection of these. And I didn't think about it when they did their estate sale. Had I thought about it, I would have gotten all of her house mouse, because she had a really elaborate and beautiful collection of them. But anyway, so here's Pickin' and a Grinnin'. And the next one is called Poppin' Good Time. And I love this one because when I was a little girl, my mom would always make us our popcorn on the stove, and then we'd put it in the paper bag, shake it up. And I don't know about you, but I always thought the popcorn coming out of the brown paper bag was the best. I still feel that way, but I don't go through the trouble because it's kind of messy making it that way. So, and you can't find brown paper bags easy anymore. Anywho, so, yep, and I think this is adorable. So you got little guy here. He's got his mouth open. This one's just watching what's going on. He's got his little rubbing his belly and the tongue out. And this one's like, please don't hit me. Please don't hit me. So, love, love, love. So that is my house mouse additions. And I have 2 bids going right now. One of them is 4 stamps, and I don't have any of those 4. So I'm debating on how high I'm going to go on that one. So I'll be watching that one. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I win. Anywho, there are those. Now, on to Hero Arts. Some of y'all caught my Hero Arts, the My Monthly Hero kit that I shared earlier this week. And I had told you that when I ordered the Hero Arts, a lot of the add-ons were sold out. So I got the items that they did have and kept my fingers crossed that the sold out items would come back, and they did. So while they were ordered within a few days of each other, sometimes Hero Arts will ship it together, but it didn't happen. So for a little refresher, so the Hero kit, the My Monthly Hero, was this set here. Let me do this. Hold on. There we go. My phone doesn't autofocus. Anyway, so it was this fun stamp set, kind of like, you know, relaxing in your own environment because, you know, the whole COVID mess. That's what I took from this collection. My private sanctuary, my happy place, thinking of you, my own little paradise, a place of total bliss, and greetings from, you know, my happy place. So these always come with their matching dies. Well, this was part of that kit as well. I'm not going to go through all that. I will try to remember to put a link up here if you want to go check out that video. But these were two of the stamp sets that are add-ons. Every My Monthly Hero has like additional items that you can add that coordinate supposedly with the kit. And so I had gotten this one, and this one was called Camp Mikasa, and this one was called Bubble Bath. I mean, she's in her bubble bath. So, but the dies were already sold out. Well, my order came in, and I now have the matching frame cut. So I have the dies for Bubble Bath and the dies for Mikasa. Then I also got the die cut for August. I just thought this was fun. Well, first off, August is my daughter's birthday. Second, it's tropical and the palm trees, and I was just like, I can use this a couple different ways. You would think I could use it in a cruise album, but I've never taken a cruise in August, and I don't plan to, just because I don't like cruising when kids are out of school. That sounds bad, but I've been on cruises. I've been on one cruise like during a school break, and the kids were just absolutely obnoxious. The parents thought everybody else was their babysitter. So I intentionally try to cruise during school year when there's fewer kids on the ship. That's just me. So August is always out of the picture. I'm not asking to get attacked for that. I have my own 3 kids. They're all adults now, but you know, when we took them, they were teenagers, and we, you know, they had to check in at certain times, and a certain behavior was expected, and they knew that if I got a report, they were in a world of doo-doo. So anyway, that's my thought on cruising with tons of children. It's also another reason why I'll probably never cruise Disney. Just because Disney, while a lot of adults love to go on Disney, it is geared, you know, for children. And I'm not going to pay all that extra money. I could go on two, sometimes if not 3 cruises compared to one Disney. And so that's just me. And I've been to the Disney resort, so it's, you know, I'm cool. So the other things that were not in when I got my kit was this set, and it is called Lounging Pups. And a lot of y'all know that I am a cat lady, but I have a lot of friends who love dogs, and I just thought this would be fun to have to make cards for them. So take time to pause, P-A-W-S. Enjoy a little pause. Again, pause and unwind. And then you got him laying in the hammock, floating on the little flamingo, or just lounging in his little blow-up pool. So there's that. And again, I got the matching frame cuts. And I'll be honest, their stamps and die cuts are very reasonable, and they cut really nice. I really love them. So maybe go check out Hero Arts. I am not sponsored by them. It's just they put out a good product. They don't always put out stuff that interests me. They cover all kinds of themes and stuff that may not always be my cup of tea, but they might be yours. So definitely go check them out. So there's that. Then the last two items I picked up are background stamps. And they're both 6x6. And this one is called Destination Home Bold Prints. And it looks like you're going on a trip, but look, it says, "Hello there. Home Sweet Home Airlines." Get it? Let's stay in. Breakfast in bed. Lounge, relax, get crafty, and stamp, stamp, stamp. Home Sweet Home. Arrival address. Greetings from, look. Hold on. The couch. From my happy place. Tea time. Destination sleep in. Destination home. So I just thought that was really adorable. Oh, look, and the wings is a couch. It's a lounge chair or a club chair. So there is that one. And then the last one that I got is another background, and it's called Pool Party Bold Prints. And it's just the guys and the gals lounging or playing in the pool or the ocean. I guess that's supposed to be like either a pizza or a watermelon float. I don't know. But look, they're there. I guess either they're diving in or they're doing handstands. I don't know. But I thought those were fun background stamps. So the cuts, they were all $11.99, which I think is really reasonable compared, like some companies are like $25-30 just for the cuts to go with the stamp set. So I thought that was good. And all these stamp sets, none of them were over. Lounging Pups was $15.99 for the stamp, and it was $11.99 for the dies. The August was $9.99. So, like I said, those are really reasonable when you're comparing to like Lawn Fawn and MFT. So definitely go check out Hero Arts. They've got some cute stuff on their website. Anywho, that is it. I hope y'all are having a wonderful Sunday. I didn't get a lot done yesterday because obviously I was at the salon for the bulk of the day. And yeah, tomorrow is going to be a Tonic Studios haul, but it's some fun items. There's a Christmas die and some other goodies. So with that, I hope you guys have a fabulous Sunday, and I will be seeing you, I guess, tomorrow. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. As always, love you guys to pieces. Happy crafting. Bye-bye.